So that meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the American President Donald Trump, and Prime Minister congratulating the American President for his second victory, for his second tenure, and the American President very clearly saying that the Indian Prime Minister has been there in India, he's doing a great job. So those congratulatory messages also in some way, Saurabh, highlighting the fact that they both respect each other's leadership.
Sucharita, it was really, I would say, an old friend meeting each other. That was the sense I got. In fact, the first question that he took was from any journalist was from me, and he answered the one that I asked him about the Trump-Modi doctrine, where he clearly mentioned, the US President clearly mentioned that he was very optimistic about the partnership with India, and also he accords Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a very, very in high regard. And also, what I got a sense that despite the fact that a lot of naysayers was talking about tariffs being a problem or obstacle, he's very determined to see this relationship going to the next level. I would say today's meeting is etching out a new paradigm for US-India Dosti, as they call it, here in Washington, D.C.
And also, what underlines this Dosti was clearly spelled out by the Prime Minister in that meeting when he says, Donald Trump speaks about MAGA, Make America Great Again, I speak of Sarvashresth Bharat, Viksit Bharat. So the underlying factor, nation first policy for both.
Absolutely. It's like the Ganges and the Potomac coming together.
No.
That is what I would say, that it's the confluence of both democracies in terms of both the leaders have their own, I would say, indelible mark on the democracies of both the countries. So I think the idea behind this conversation, and which happened just before the formal talks began, that we will continue to engage with each other and also find a solution to any difficult problems that we may have. On tariffs, you can see some kind of a mini trade deal in the works to make sure that the bilateral issue between US and India can be sorted out. He was very, very candid about India playing the role of a peacemaker as well. Whether it's Russia, Ukraine or Middle East, you will also see a joint statement will reflect that. But here at White House, I can tell you, with full confidence, I've covered many visits in the past as well, that this is one of the most optimistic in terms of the president's enthusiasm, so to say. Welcoming Prime Minister to the White House was at a different level.
Also, just give us our viewers a sense, because we were watching both the leaders speaking to the press, and there was Elon Musk standing on the side, and a lot of media also looking, hoping for a chance to speak to him. He was very, very closely watching that conversation between the two leaders.
He was, unbelievably quiet, I would say, but he knew that this is Prime Minister Modi and President Trump's moment. Yes. So I think he chose, because he'd already met Prime Minister in the morning, and certainly there is some substance which has come out of that meeting as well. And I thought that he wanted to give the two leaders an opportunity. Sucharita.
And I would just say that the meeting between the two leaders also somewhere pans out, speaks of the fact that this is really not the time for war. And when we were speaking earlier in the day, about a triad between Russia, America and India, though that question being taken up by him, and he spoke, Prime Minister spoke of the fact that India is not neutral. People should know that everyone thinks India is neutral. India is not neutral, and I was taken in for a surprise. Yes. And he said, India has a stand, and that's world peace. So people should not think that we are neutral.
Absolutely. I think you heard it right. Even I was taken aback when he said, India is not neutral. But he came back, Prime Minister Modi, by saying that, listen, I was the first leader to tell President Putin in so many words that this is not the time for war. And he made it very clear that India's foreign policy has a strategic objective, and that is India first. How does it marry now with Donald Trump's America first is going to be a question, but I can tell you that both these leaders, with their personal chemistry, Sucharita, they're going to sort it out. And that's a message, big message coming here from Washington, D.C. Sucharita?
Yeah, so that's Saurav and me reporting live from the White House, from Washington, D.C.
This is a special News Mobile Republic Jugalbandi from White House in Washington, D.C.
Continue watching the coverage on Republic TV.